The control panel may display some of the boiler faults using its indicators. In case of indicators on the control panel are unlit, check the main power input of the boiler. If the main power input voltages are correct, power supply systems can be damaged, or WT3 thermal cutout was activated. Please contact an authorized Kospel service. When the pump indicator is flashing, at first check all the valves in the heating system, then clean the filter which is located inside the boiler. Check and unblock the pump. If the problem continues, please contact an authorized Kospel service. There is a possibility that the flow sensor is damaged or that there is a blockage in the heating system. In case of RP and NA status indicator is flashing, check the status of the master device connection to the NA input. Try to disconnect the wires from the input and connect the jumper. If the boiler is still not working, damage was caused to the control system. Please contact an authorized Kospel service. In case of RP and NA status indicator is not lit, check the settings and status of the room thermostat. Disconnect wires from the RP input and connect the jumper. If the boiler is still not working, damage was caused to the control system. Please contact an authorized Kospel service. In case of return temperature indicator flashing and showing symbol 2 lines, return temperature sensor fault and boiler is working in a safe mode, please contact an authorized Kospel service. In case of temperature indicator flashing and showing 2 line symbol, supply temperature sensor is damaged, boiler does not heat. Please contact an authorized Kospel service. In case of bar pressure indicator flashing, the heating system pressure dropped below 0.6 bars. The boiler has stopped heating and the pump has stopped. Locate cause of the failure or locate leak from the heating system. Fix the leak and fill the system with liquid up to the required pressure. If the boiler is still not working, the pressure sensor is damaged. Please contact an authorized Kospel service.